Wood is a precious resource, and harvesting it properly is an art. Join lumberpro to discover the technology, techniques, and interesting stories behind each tree. The log splitter roars to life with a deep engine hum. The hydraulic press slowly pushes the log against a razor-sharp steel blade. A sharp crack echoes as the wood splits in half, then continues to break into even, symmetrical pieces. The sound of cracking wood reverberates through the quiet surroundings, each split like a small thunderclap in the forest. The air is rich with the scent of pine resin and fresh timber, creating a deep sense of connection with nature. The blade is crafted from hardened steel, sharpened and treated to endure extreme force. It comes in various shapes: V-blade, cross-blade, or spiral designs that split wood into 2, 4, or even 6 pieces. Thanks to this design, the splitter can tackle dense logs like oak, mahogany, or eucalyptus. The log splitter reduces manual labor while eliminating the risks associated with axe use. By recycling wood scraps into fuel, it minimizes waste and maximizes forest resource use. It's an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution for both households and small-scale producers. The log splitter saves a significant amount of time and effort compared to manual splitting. With powerful hydraulic pressure, it can process dozens of logs within minutes. This not only reduces the risk of injuries from using axes, but also greatly boosts work productivity. Additionally, it produces evenly sized wood pieces, which are easier to stack, transport, and burn efficiently. The sharp metallic scream cuts through the stillness, scattering birds into the sky. Trees that have stood for decades, even centuries, now begin to lean under the saw's rhythm, crashing to the ground with a deep, echoing thud. The chainsaw blade meets the dry wood surface, then plunges inward with sudden force. A screeching sound erupts, high and metallic, like a steel horn. Layers of wood are torn apart, sawdust flinging into the air and swirling like pale dust in the wind. The chainsaw doesn't hesitate. It presses forward steadily, its motor deepening in tone with every centimeter. The rotating chain moves like a relentless machine, slicing through the dense grain of the wood. A rhythmic roar pulses like a mechanical heartbeat, occasionally punctuated by sharp clack-clack sounds when striking hard knots. The blade leaves behind a smooth, deep groove, and light smoke rises from the heated wood, carrying a faint charred scent, raw and earthy. A crisp crack rings out as the wood begins to split. The chainsaw keeps spinning, as if urging the break to complete. Thick sawdust flies in the heated air, veiling the surroundings in a golden haze. The freshly exposed wood is brighter, smoother, with swirling grain patterns. Chainsaws allow users to cut trees, branches, or large logs much faster than manual saws. Thanks to their powerful motors and sharp chains, they can complete tasks in minutes that would otherwise take hours. This makes them essential in forestry, construction, and post-storm cleanup. Chainsaws can cut through thick, hardwood, or large diameter trees that other tools can't handle. High-powered models can even slice through trunks over half a meter in diameter. This boosts productivity in lumber processing, material preparation, and professional forestry operations.
Whoa! Steve! I got the whole thing on video.
Chainsaws are heavy and generate intense vibrations. If the operator lacks strength or works on uneven ground, they may lose control, drop the saw, or accidentally cut themselves. Prolonged exposure to vibrations may also lead to hand-arm vibration syndrome, HAVS, causing numbness and long-term hand damage. A wood chipper is a specialized machine used to process excess wood, branches, and logs into small pieces for various purposes. Equipped with sharp cutting blades and a powerful engine, it can quickly shred wood into chips or sawdust, maximizing the utilization of forest resources. When wood is fed into the machine, the cutting blades spin at high speed, slicing it into small pieces. These wood chips are then propelled through the discharge chute by a fan, ready for use. This continuous process ensures fast and efficient wood processing. Wood chipper, fast wood processing, reducing labor. White heavy checkmark saves storage space by minimizing wood waste. White heavy checkmark maximize resource utilization, prevent waste. White heavy checkmark wide range of applications in many different industries. Wood chippers are essential in the wood processing industry, maximizing resource utilization and improving production efficiency. With advanced technology, these machines are helping increase productivity while minimizing environmental impact. Before the sun rises, the timber trucks have already begun their journey. The sky is still draped in mist, but the roaring engines shatter the silence of the forest. The heavily loaded truck, carrying massive logs, maneuvers through deep potholes and thick mud. When climbing steep slopes, log trucks face the risk of losing momentum or sliding backward if the road is too slippery. The driver must stay in a low gear to maintain traction and carefully control the throttle to prevent the wheels from spinning in place. On steep inclines, trucks may need to ascend in a zigzag pattern instead of going straight up, reducing the effective slope and improving grip. If the incline is too steep or the soil is too soft, a bulldozer or another truck may need to push from behind for assistance. In some cases, the driver might have to reduce the load, making multiple smaller trips to ensure safety. If the truck starts sliding backward, emergency brakes and wheel chocks made of wood or rocks can help prevent a dangerous descent. Forest roads often have sharp turns, with narrow paths and no guardrails. When approaching a turn, the driver must slow down early and steer gradually to prevent the truck from tipping over. On dangerous curves, logging trucks require extra space to maneuver. If the road is too narrow, a clearing vehicle or reversing may be needed to adjust the turning angle. Some trucks are equipped with hydraulic steering assistance to make handling easier on rough terrain. On dangerous curves, logging trucks require extra space to maneuver. If the road is too narrow, a clearing vehicle or reversing may be needed to adjust the turning angle. Some trucks are equipped with hydraulic steering assistance to make handling easier on rough terrain. Follow the channel to explore the world of logging. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting videos.